Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Samsung A11 phone. This would work on other versions in this series. So what you're going to do, you're going to click the volume up key and the power button. So in the process, you're going to go ahead and wait for the logo to come for the Samsung Galaxy A4. Then you release the power button. Then hold the volume up key until you see the recovery mode, as you can see here. So what you have here is very simple. I want you to go ahead and click the volume down key, not the power button. The power button will restart the phone. So you click the volume down key and go to wipe cache partition. Then you click the power key to accept changes. Then you click the volume down key to accept changes again. And then you go ahead and click on wipe data and factory reset, as you can see. And then you click the power key to accept changes, and it will show you that if you go back, it will show you that you require to have an email or the associated password or pattern so that you can reuse your phone. If you don't have them and you hard reset, you're going to get locked out. So what you have here, you go ahead and say power key, then say wipe data and reset. This will take a few seconds. Then after this, you're going to click the power key and then the phone will restart itself, and this will take a few minutes. And after those few minutes, it will go ahead and ask for the Gmail or pattern, and you have to connect it to the wireless network so that you can be able to log in. This is how you do it on your Samsung Galaxy A11. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon or that get notified whenever I upload a video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.